1. 1974 Chevrolet Camaro All Steel All Glass. Price, $55,000, located, Joliet, Illinois. The 1974 Chevrolet Camaro All Steel All Glass is an exceptional pro-street and drag-and-drive machine built for serious performance without sacrificing street manners. Powered by a forged LS engine featuring twin 7382 ball bearing turbochargers, Wisico pistons, forged crankshaft, boost line connecting rods, LS3 Pro Max cylinder heads, Jezel shaft rockers, and a solid roller camshaft, this Camaro delivers outstanding horsepower and reliability. Power is transferred through a freshly serviced turbo 400 transmission equipped with a second gear leaf setup and dump valve, while a Hughes torque converter ensures efficient launches. The Ford 9-inch rear axle uses durable 35 spline axles with 3.90 gears, and an additional 3.55 gear set is included for versatility. Viking double adjustable shocks, strange brakes, and a Holley Dominator ECU provide outstanding control and tuning capability. Extensive onboard sensors monitor every major system, including turbo back pressure, EGT, driveshaft speed, coolant pressure, and suspension travel. Fully functional lighting, pumpy 85 tuning, and dependable road manners make this Camaro equally capable on highways and at true street or Lil Gangster competition events. 2. 1983 Porsche 944 Drag Car. Price, $13,500, located, Milton, West Virginia. The 1983 Porsche 944 drag car is a unique race-focused build that combines lightweight European styling with dependable American V8 performance. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, this Porsche is paired with a proven PowerGlide automatic transmission that has approximately 60 passes since its most recent refresh. A braced Ford 9-inch rear axle, for-link rear suspension, and full roll cage provide excellent durability and traction for consistent launches. Running on E85 fuel, the car has proven itself capable of consistent 6.50 second eighth-mile passes while remaining reliable throughout race weekends. Several components have been replaced within the past few months, ensuring the vehicle is ready for immediate competition. The driver's side window and headlights remain functional, adding convenience when loading or moving around the pits. Although the certification has expired, the seller indicates it can easily be renewed. This race-ready Porsche offers an unusual combination of lightweight construction, proven drag racing performance, and dependable mechanical components for racers seeking something different from traditional muscle cars. 3. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $20,000, located, Benton Harbor, Michigan. The 1978 Chevrolet Malibu is a professionally built race car designed for racers who appreciate quality craftsmanship and dependable big block performance. Built by Tim Coombs at Quarter Mile Technology, this Malibu features a powerful Chevrolet big block V8 paired with an automatic transmission that delivers strong acceleration and consistent track performance. Finished in clean white paint, the car presents an attractive appearance while maintaining the aggressive attitude expected from a dedicated drag machine. Every aspect of the build reflects careful planning and professional assembly, making it an excellent choice for bracket racing or weekend competition. The lightweight chassis and race-oriented setup provide excellent balance, while the drivetrain is designed to handle repeated passes with confidence. The vehicle has been driven very limited miles since completion, highlighting the freshness of the build. Whether you are expanding your racing collection or searching for a dependable competition vehicle, this Malibu offers proven engineering, impressive presentation, and race-ready capability. It represents an outstanding opportunity to own a professionally constructed classic Chevrolet built specifically for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 4. 1963 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $20,000, located, Wind Ridge, Pennsylvania. The 1963 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag car that combines lightweight construction with proven high-performance components for exciting track performance. Under the hood is a freshly built 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine topped with a new Speedmaster 671 supercharger, providing impressive horsepower and instant throttle response. Power is transferred through a durable 2-speed PowerGlide transmission equipped with a professional-style trans brake for consistent launches. Additional racing equipment includes MSD ignition with a 2-step launch controller, line lock system, and a respected Chris Alston chassis engineered for strength and stability. Brand new 33-inch racing slicks maximize traction while maintaining excellent straight-line performance. The engine currently runs on alcohol fuel but can easily be converted to operate on premium pump gasoline if desired. This versatile drag car is ready for competition and offers outstanding value for racers seeking reliable performance. The seller is also open to trade offers involving Harley-Davidson motorcycles, Polaris slingshots, small block Chevrolet performance parts, or Jeep vehicles, providing additional flexibility for interested buyers. 5. 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Price, $12,000, located, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is an affordable pro-street-inspired muscle car built to deliver dependable street performance and everyday drivability. Power comes from a Blueprint 355 cubic inch crate engine equipped with a supercharger, creating strong acceleration while remaining reliable for regular cruising. A TH350 automatic transmission with slap shift capability provides smooth gear changes, while an electric fuel pump, upgraded wheels, and brand new tires enhance overall performance and appearance. The body remains remarkably clean with only minor rust bubbles, complemented by a fiberglass cowl induction hood that gives the car an aggressive muscle car look. Despite its performance upgrades, this Cutlass is comfortable enough for highway driving, maintaining approximately 70 miles per hour at low engine speed while keeping coolant temperatures below 190 degrees. The vehicle carries a rebuilt salvage title but remains mechanically dependable and ready to enjoy immediately. For enthusiasts seeking a powerful yet practical street machine without spending a premium price, this supercharged Cutlass represents an attractive opportunity with plenty of classic G-body appeal. 6. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu Drag Car. Price, $21,500, located, Smith Mill, Pennsylvania. The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu Drag Car is a professionally prepared roller offering an outstanding platform for racers planning their next competitive build. Finished with a clean body and quality paintwork, this Malibu features lightweight fiberglass front panels, doors, trunk lid, bumpers, and other race-oriented components that significantly reduce overall weight. Previously certified to NHRA and IHRA 8.50 specifications, the chassis includes tubular control arms, QA1 performance shocks, a 4-link rear suspension, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with double beadlock wheels. The car is already wired for nitrous oxide and includes a complete MSD ignition system, dual high-capacity fuel pumps, aluminum radiator, parachute, driveshaft for a turbo 400 transmission, and headers designed for a big block Chevrolet engine. Earlier in its racing career, this Malibu recorded impressive 8.05 second quarter-mile passes at 170 miles per hour with a 632 cubic inch engine. Whether completed as a pro street cruiser, competitive bracket racer, or no-prep drag car, this lightweight Chevrolet offers an exceptional foundation for serious performance enthusiasts. 7. 1975 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $17,000, located, Pikeville, Kentucky. The 1975 Chevrolet Vega is a purpose-built drag racing roller designed for serious racers looking for a lightweight and highly competitive chassis. Constructed with a durable 2x3 tube chassis, this Vega is configured for a big block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission, providing an excellent platform for high horsepower applications. The car weighs approximately 2,603 pounds with a 265-pound driver, making it an outstanding combination of strength and low weight. Fiberglass components include the hood, front end, rear hatch, and rear bumper, while the steel roof, doors, and quarter panels maintain structural integrity. The rear suspension features a Ford 9-inch rear axle with a strange center section and 4.56 gears, complemented by a 4-link setup, anti-roll bar, wishbone locator, and double adjustable shocks for exceptional traction. Additional equipment includes strange front struts and brakes, Alumaster wheels, Hoosier racing tires, MSD 7AL2 ignition, electric Hurst shifter, and an onboard fire suppression system. Previously running consistent 5.20 second eighth-mile passes with a 582 BBC, this race-ready roller is an outstanding foundation for competitive drag racing. 8. 1979 Chevrolet Monza. Price, $19,000, located, Plymouth, Ohio. The 1979 Chevrolet Monza Spider is a classic drag racing machine that combines lightweight construction with dependable performance for dedicated track enthusiasts. Finished in blue with a striking red interior, this Monza has been built specifically for drag racing and offers excellent potential for racers seeking a unique competition vehicle. The car runs and drives well, making it ready for race day while providing a solid platform for future upgrades. Its aggressive stance and lightweight body contribute to impressive straight-line performance, while the proven drag racing setup delivers reliable launches and consistent passes. Although the vehicle does not include a title, it remains an appealing option for racers focused exclusively on track competition. The seller is open to either a cash sale or a trade involving another drag car, providing flexibility for buyers looking to expand or upgrade their racing program. Whether competing in bracket racing or local drag events, the Chevrolet Monza offers dependable performance, classic styling, and an opportunity to own a distinctive vintage race car at an attractive price. 9. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car. Price, $16,000, located, Middlesboro, Kentucky. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car is a classic American muscle machine built with one purpose in mind: delivering impressive quarter-mile performance. Powered by a proven 406 cubic inch small-block Chevrolet engine, this race-prepared Chevelle is paired with a dependable 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission that has become a favorite among drag racers for its simplicity and durability. A full roll cage provides additional chassis strength and enhanced driver safety during high-speed competition, while wide racing slicks maximize traction for consistent launches. The aggressive setup makes the Chevrolet an excellent candidate for bracket racing, test and tune sessions, or weekend drag strip events. The seller notes that the car has previously recorded competitive performance, reflecting the capability of its well-matched drivetrain combination. Its classic 1966 body style retains timeless muscle car appeal while offering the mechanical reliability expected from a dedicated race vehicle. For enthusiasts searching for an affordable vintage drag car with proven components and strong performance potential, this Chevelle represents an excellent opportunity to own a true strip-ready classic. 10. 1964 Dodge Dart Pro Street. Price, $24,000, located, Lawrence, Michigan. The 1964 Dodge Dart Pro Street is a well-built classic Mopar that blends vintage styling with proven drag racing hardware and dependable street performance. Finished in red with a gray interior, this Dart features a powerful 440 cubic inch V8 equipped with aluminum cylinder heads, roller rockers, a roller camshaft, a performance intake, and a 700 CFM carburetor that was recently installed. Power is delivered through a race-prepared automatic transmission with a reverse manual valve body, trans brake, line lock, and the correct performance shifter for consistent launches. The chassis was previously certified for 9-second competition and remains race-ready, although recertification is required for sanctioned events. Additional highlights include a Mallory distributor, dual fuel tanks, a nitrous system that has never been used, brand new racing seatbelts, and 2 extra doors included with the sale. The seller is willing to consider selling the vehicle as a roller or accepting partial trades. With a clean title and plenty of room for future power upgrades such as turbochargers, this Dodge Dart offers tremendous versatility for both street and strip enthusiasts. 11. 1980 Chevrolet Monza. Price, $24,500, located, Bradley, Illinois. The 1980 Chevrolet Monza is a proven bracket racing machine built to deliver consistent performance and reliable results at the drag strip. Under the hood sits a powerful 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine supported by a complete MSD ignition system, providing dependable spark and impressive horsepower. A turbo 400 automatic transmission with a trans brake transfers power to a durable Dana 60 rear axle, creating a combination capable of repeated competitive passes. The chassis features a chromoly roll cage, ladder bar rear suspension, aluminum radiator, electric water pump, and a complete Holley fuel system designed for maximum reliability. Known for consistently running in the 9.90-second range, this Monza is ready to compete immediately and has everything needed to become a serious contender in bracket racing. The seller also offers the option to purchase the car together with a 24-foot enclosed trailer featuring aluminum flooring and an electric winch, making transportation convenient. Whether purchased alone or as a complete racing package, this Monza is a turnkey drag car built for racers who want dependable performance and championship potential. 12. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $35,000, located, Hilliard, Ohio. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is an aggressive street and drag machine built around one of the most iconic American muscle car platforms ever produced. Powered by a massive 588 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Vickers-built turbo 400 automatic transmission, the Chevelle delivers exceptional power for both cruising and competitive racing. The black exterior is enhanced by striking custom orange flame graphics, while a large cowl induction hood hints at the serious performance underneath. Wide rear racing slicks, lightweight Sanders racing wheels, and a professionally installed roll cage with swing-out bars make the car equally suited for street use and drag strip competition. The interior features dedicated racing seats and essential safety equipment, creating an authentic race-inspired environment. Although the existing 8.50 certified cage will require recertification for sanctioned racing, the overall build provides an outstanding foundation for future competition. Whether driven as a powerful weekend cruiser or prepared for organized drag racing events, this Chevelle offers classic styling, substantial horsepower, and the unmistakable presence that continues to make the 1970 model one of the most desirable muscle cars ever built.